guys. Okay, so this one may look familiar. When I show you the bag, you may experience, especially those who have been here with me before, as far as along my bag era journey, you may experience a tinge of deja vu. Because you have seen this one before. Yes, but just not in this color. So if you ask me, do I need another brown bag? The answer would be no. But did I get another brown bag? Yes, I did. You guys know that I've been on this Coach streak. Okay, like a lot of people, you know, Coach is really in their bag, pun intended, as far as bringing out a lot of nice items. You know, they've always been known for the quality of their items, and they've always been around, but they seem to be going through a resurgence right now, bringing back some of the old items and reissuing them, as well as putting a new spin on some of their iconic bags. And the Hamptons Hobo would definitely qualify. So when I saw it, and when I saw it at the price that it was being listed for, I said, honey, sign me up. Y'all know me, honey, sign me up. So I signed myself up and I checked myself out and I got the bag. And so without any further ado, we're just going to get right to and talk just a little bit more about the Hamptons Hobo Bag. In maple. Okay guys, so again, those who are already initiated, you guys know that a few months ago, and well, it's been more than a few months, but I got another Hamptons Hobo, but this one, it was in green, and I absolutely love it. I love the shape of the bag as well as the color. And so when I saw this one, I snatched it up. So now I got it's a brother from another mother, if you will, to my green bag. And this is the Hamptons Hobo in maple. Now, what do I love about the bag? I love the slim profile of the bag. I love the feel of the bag. This is all leather. I believe this is genuine glove tanned leather. Okay, so it has that stamped in silver. And while my green bag has brass hardware, this maple bag has the silver hardware. And in addition to that, what I love about it is that the straps detach. And as you can see, there's a buckle situation on the side. So you can not only adjust the strap, but also detach the strap. And maybe you want to get a little creative and replace the strap with something else. You can do it with a scarf. You can do it with a chain or whatever your heart's desire. You can make this, you can pretty much tailor it to what you want it to look like and be. In addition to that, it has the dog leash clasp on the front and the traditional dog tag. Okay, so it has the Coach tag as well as, now this one comes with two tags, so not only the traditional Coach tag, but it also reminds you, just in case you didn't know, or informs you, that this is the Hamptons Hobo Bag, and this is a limited edition, which was first issued in 2005. So really quickly, because some of us, we already know what we're working with this, but not too quickly because some of us don't. So with that being said, I absolutely love this bag. Again, this is a true shoulder bag. So I would carry it on my shoulder, not crossbody. But again, if you get a strap long enough, you can carry it however you want to carry it. It's your bag. Now I also love the little details on the corner. It reminds me of a baseball. For some reason. I don't know if that's just me, whether that was done on purpose, but it reminds me of a baseball. And I just love the little stitching on the side, the way this sort of curves on the side and just emphasizes the shape of the bag. I absolutely love it. When you undo the clasp in the front, okay, so you have a zipper closure, which opens up to the main compartment of the bag. And just like what I'm noticing on most of their bags, there are two smaller pockets. So there's a pocket in the back and there's a pocket in the front. The one in the back has the imprint of the Coach logo and their legacy mark. And just like the outside, the leather continues on the inside. On the buckle, it has the Coach name engraved. Then you have a little leather tag on the zipper, leather pull, I should say, on the zipper. And the bag itself is pretty straightforward. It really is. It's a very simple but classically made bag. And it was just so nice that I got it twice. I have not worn this yet because you know how I do. I like to share all the little warm, fuzzy feelings that I get from my bags. I like to share them all with you first before I take them out in the wild. Now and again, I might do that. But for the most part, I like to share first so that we can all partake in all the goodness in the beginning. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Now that we talked about the outside of the bag, let's talk about what fits inside the bag. Because you just may be wondering, especially those who haven't seen the first video. But hold on to your britches, I'm about to show you. So, what can fit in the bag? Well, first of all, I like to take my little wristlet. This is the Kate Spade little wallet / wristlet that I have, that I put all my little cards and whatnots and IDs in. And this can easily fit in the bag. I can fit my trusty sunglasses. Now, this is not the sunglass case that I normally put these in, but again, we're just going to improvise, okay? We just dealing with what we got right now, and it's okay. It'll be all right. So my sunglasses can fit. Now, you guys already, I say this every time because you guys know, even if you've been here for 1 minute, you guys know that I am all about hand sanitizer. There's too much crazy stuff going on in the world, honey, for me to be without, well, I think most people should have hand sanitizer. So with that being said, I like the Touchland. This is not a promo for them. Absolutely love it. I believe this is in watermelon, so I can put my hand sanitizer in the bag. And after washing your hands or sanitizing them, honey, you may need a little lotion. Lotion. I have the Kiehl's Ultimate Strength Hand Salve. And I can definitely put this little small travel size, handy dandy, in my bag. Put that on the side right there. Now, I do like to carry a mask with me just in case. Just in case things get a little, get a little hairy. And this can easily, again, fit in the bag. Let's put that on the other side. Make a little bit of room. Gotta have my comb, honey. Gotta have my comb just in case, I need to redo my locks. Yeah, I like to bring my comb, so we do that. And last but not least, you may want to have a little mint just in case you get hungry and you need something to chomp on, or maybe your breath is just going to the left when it should be going to the right. So with that being said, just maybe a mint or two, we can just easily put that in the bag. Okay, so that's how everything fits in there. Oh my gosh, this leather smells so good. I mean, I don't know if you guys are like me or a lot of other people. I just love the smell of fresh leather. And this bag does not disappoint, let me tell you. But anyway, so we zip this on up and then we put the dog, well, we clip it back up. Let's see. And as you can see, everything fits quite nicely. And the bag, again, is very soft, very supple. It has a nice feel to it. The stitching is very nice. The contrast of the silver hardware with the brown, absolutely chef's kiss. So with that being said, yes, I absolutely love it. I absolutely love the bag. Now, it's funny enough, I did not get this bag from Coach or Coach's website. I want to say that I got it. Did I get it off of Amazon? I'm trying to remember where I got it, but it was on sale. It was on sale, and it was, you know, Coach has certain colors on its website, and then it sort of dishes out other colors to other vendors. So Dillard's might have some particular colors. That's a department store, or other department stores like Nordstrom's or Neiman's. They may have other colors that you may not find on the Coach's website. So such was the case for this. I bought it quite a few months ago, but I'm pretty sure, and I don't remember where I got it, but I do remember that it wasn't on the Coach website. And I do remember that it was on sale for, I want to say, because it normally runs, the Hamptons Hobo normally runs about maybe $2.95, something like that. And I got it for a little bit less because of the color. And I guess maybe it wasn't really popping, you know, people weren't really, I don't know. But anyway, I was just very thankful for it. I snatched it up, and here it is with me. So this beauty really doesn't need too much going on, but at the same time, I think something, it has the this, it has the strap, it has the, it may be missing something. What is it missing? Okay, so you guys know me. I love bag charms. And I just find them absolutely charming in the bag. So with that being said, let's just put a little something on her right here. Oh, that looks cute. Okay, yeah, we can work with that. So with that being said, oh, I love it. I love it. I just happen, y'all know I always happen upon something, whether it's the internet or in the store, whatever. I just happened upon, what was it, TJ Maxx, and I got this little leather bag charm. Come on. I got this little leather bag charm. It was on sale for like $10. It's all leather, and I got it in their little purse section, and I think it is the perfect accoutrement to my perfect Hamptons Hobo bag. What do you think? So anyway, that's all I have for you today. You guys know that I am in my bag era, and for those who don't know, I am into collecting handbags, not just for the sake of collecting them. I actually use my handbags. I plan on using all of them. But my whole point is that I want to collect bags that can complement my wardrobe, as well as any activity or any situation I may be in. So I've been in my bag era for a little while, and I'm just having fun carefully curating my bag collection. And I am just so happy that I have this one. In addition to the other hobo bag, I'm so happy to have this as part of my growing collection. And that is the Hamptons Hobo Bag, COACH Hamptons Hobo Bag in maple.